What's up, everyone, and welcome back to Mixietronics for another episode where we check out fandoms and really cool things that I like and I hope you like too. So today we are going to go ahead and review one of my favorite characters. Of course, you guys already know it is the Funko Pop's Reptar. It was the FYE exclusive. It was the one with the cereal, and since we just did the cereal review, of course I had to do the Reptar Pop. I probably should have put him in that video instead of my other Reptar figure, but whatever, I forgot. So I remembered after. So let's go ahead and review it, and let's take a look at the box. Looks really cool. These are the other characters in the series. We have Tommy, Chucky, and Reptar, and of course there's like a few different versions of Reptar. I want to get them all too, and they just released like a few more. Especially that Angelica figure, that looks so cute. I definitely need to get that one. And then this is the other side. So let's go ahead and open him up. Still haven't found my spatula to open boxes, so still using the nail file. And if you're wondering why I'm doing this, I don't like denting my boxes, so I always use something to pop them open. I mean, the box was already kind of damaged. I got it in the mail. It was already kind of messed up, but I don't want it to add any other damage to it. Alright. Let's go ahead and take them out. Oh, this is so cute. Alright, so here he is, the little Reptar with the cereal. I want to see if I can move his hands a little bit. Nope. This is so cute. This is like my favorite character, so this is going to look really nice. And the paint job looks pretty good. Of course, there's always like a couple spots, like, you know, where the paint is a little thin, like you guys see that in the teeth. But I mean, since he doesn't have too much paint, it's like a few spots, like where the spoon is, you can see that right there, but that just looks like milk, so that actually works for this one, right? Okay, and this is the bottom. It's a little dirty right there, but okay. Overall, it looks pretty good. It's like a little piece, alright. So yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Okay. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed checking out and taking a closer look at the Funko Pop Reptar with the cereal. Oh yeah, let's do a close-up of the cereal. Looks pretty good too. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a quick 360. Well guys, thank you so much for watching my review on the Reptar Pop. I hope you guys have enjoyed your time with me. And as always, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you know anytime I drop a new video. And let me know what you guys think in the comments about this pop. Which one is your favorite? Do you guys like this one with the cereal, the original? I know there's also the one that glows in the dark and the purple chase one. I want to get those as well. So anyway, see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.